Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create animated social media designs in Canva step by step in 2026 so your posts stand out, grab attention, and boost engagement across platforms. Animated designs are perfect for catching eyes on feeds, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. Even simple movements like fade-ins, sliding text, or bouncing icons can make a huge difference. Start by opening Canva and selecting the social media template you want to animate. Choose the right dimensions for your platform, like Instagram posts or stories. Pick a clean layout to make sure your animation stands out without being overwhelming. Next, add your content. Include text, images, icons, or illustrations. Make sure your design aligns with your brand colors, fonts, and style. Consistency is key to maintaining a professional look. Now it's time to animate. Select any element and click the Animate button. Choose from options like Fade, Rise, Pan, or Stomp for different effects. You can apply animations to text, images, or the entire page depending on your design. Another helpful tip is to control timing. Use Canva's timeline feature to set when each element appears and disappears. This ensures your animation flows smoothly and keeps viewers engaged from start to finish. You can also use motion graphics like GIFs or stickers to add extra flair. But remember, less is more. Avoid overcrowding your design with too many moving elements. Once your animation is ready, preview it to see how it plays. Make adjustments to timing